Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we will be discussing the 2024 Chevy Chevelle. Have you ever thought about owning a classic Chevy Chevelle? Well, with the confluence of digital design, 3D printing, and the availability of funding, Trans Am Worldwide has made it possible. Their latest creation, the 70/SS, is a contemporary version of the iconic 1970 Chevelle based on the current Camaro platform. The 70/SS is the most ambitious project yet from Trans Am Worldwide. It features carbon fiber body panels, reskinning the entire Camaro to make it into a Chevelle. With options of a convertible or coupe and a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, the 70/SS has everything available with the new 6th-gen Camaro, including its modern engineering and reliability. Trans Am Worldwide also upgrades the suspension and modifies the interior to match the external modifications. They offer limited editions of certain engines, such as the 1500 HP twin-turbo LSX, as well as various reincarnations of classic Chevelle models, like the SS 454 and SS 396. But what about an El Camino variant? With the increased popularity of El Camino-like vehicles and the success of Trans Am's contemporary Chevelle, it's an intriguing possibility. However, it would require significant modifications to the Camaro platform, so it's doubtful. Still, with the proliferation of recreated classic cars and dedicated groups of enthusiasts, anything is possible. Who knows what Trans Am Worldwide might come up with next? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and see you in our other videos.